another vlog. So, nandito na kami, touchdown na kami dito sa may Incheon Airport dito sa Korea. So, this is a continuation of our journey, no? From our trip coming from Edmonton to Vancouver. Na-delay yung flight namin and we missed our connection flight. Korea Air going to Manila. So, ngayon, nakuha na namin, nabigyan na sa amin ng ground staff ng Korean Air yung accommodation. So, papunta na kami doon ng mga anak ko. So, papunta ako ngayon ng arrival. Dadaan kami ng immigration, dadaan kami ng customs. Tapos, paglabas, pag-exit, meron daw shuttle na nag-aantay papunta doon sa hotel accommodation namin na binigay ng Korean Air. So, yung mga baggage pala namin doon na sa aeroplanong sasakyan namin tomorrow. So, we don't have to take them na. On the way now to arrivals, mag-immigration muna kami. So, medyo mahaba-habang walk-a-lator lang to. Then, dun sa bandang dulo doon kakaliwa. Tapos, papunta na ng immigration. Okay, so please stay tuned and I will share with you kung kumusta ang aming accommodation and how is it like sleeping in Korea because we missed our flight. But it's not our fault kasi nagkaroon ng delay coming from Vancouver. Okay, I'm gonna see you in a while. Okay, so we're past the immigration na. So, hanapin namin yung exit. We don't have to claim our luggage kasi sa connecting flight na namin yun diretso tomorrow. We'll figure out kung asan yung exit and we should have the shuttle going to Grand Hyatt Hotel. O, di ba bongga? Grand Hyatt kami matutulog tonight. So, we just need to go through, pass through customs. Wala naman kami i-declare. So, dadaan lang doon and we need to go to exit 2. Okay, so nandito kami sa baggage claim A right now. Tapos, kakanan. And then, malalaman siguro namin kung nasan yung exit 2. And the shuttle should be in there. So, ito yung baggage claim nila dito sa Incheon Airport. Okay, so tama nga. Ito, nasa A kami pero paglabas doon, nandun ang exit 2. There you go. We're out. Okay. There you go. Ito na yung exit 2. Okay, exit 2. By the way, we're at Terminal 2. So, dapat merong shuttle dito for Grand Hyatt. So, we need to figure out kung nasa ng shuttle ng Grand Hyatt. Ito yung pila ng shuttle to Grand Hyatt, Incheon Hotel. Okay, so pila tayo. So ito lahat yung mga kasama naming naiwanan ng connecting flight going to Manila. Oh my God, welcome to Asia. I can feel the heat. Do you feel the heat, my son? Yeah, haggard kaming tatlo. Pawis na pawis kaming tatlo. Oh my God. Woo! Welcome to Asia. And welcome to Korea. It's my first time to stop here in Korea. See there. Okay, so yes, ito nga yung aming shuttle na. Okay, let's go. Sige, go ahead. Find a seat. Haggard.
Hungry.
Hungry too. Hangry.
Are you going where? Yeah. Okay.
Where you go?
Going to Manila. Yeah. Yeah. Everybody missed the flights. What about you? Where are you going?
Ho Chi Minh.
Oh, Ho Chi Minh.
Oh, visa.
Akala ko malapit lang yung hotel. Medyo mukhang malapit din. If tama yung pagkakabasa sa screen kanina parang 15 minutes yata shuttle travel to Grand Hyatt Hotel. So tama. 15 minutes nga Terminal 2 and then 4 minutes kapag Terminal 1. Okay, so here we are. Thank you so much. Okay, so here we are. Check-in na tayo. Okay, so check-in na kami. Let's go. Dami mo check-in. Pila na naman. So, pila muna. You have a lollipop they didn't offer to you. They offered it to Yana, diba?
Yeah. She declined, but I took
Yeah, and to you. No. Because you're Kuya. Kuya Ethan. Okay, so yung checking in namin just taking a while kasi nga madami kami. Pinag-fill up na kami ng form para mas mabilis na yung check-in process. Okay, so mag-dinner na daw kami kasi magko-close na yung buffet. 9:30 na eh. So, doon na kami didiretso para makapag-dinner muna before checking into our room. Okay, so we're going to the bridge, going to the East Tower. Okay, so this one kasi nandun yung buffet sa East Tower. So, marami pa kaming kasabay. Thank you. Hindi pa naman siguro kami pagsasaraduhan, ano. Okay. So, here we are. Where's the food hall? Okay, so yeah, this is the food hall. Okay, open pa siya. Let's go. Kain na muna. Wala nang pa-breakfast bukas eh. Tapos maaga kaming mag-check out pupunta sa airport. So, 8 pala. Okay, so merong mag-assist sa amin magdala sa aming table. Okay, here's our table. Mabilisan na to kasi hanggang 10 na lang kami. We only have like 20 minutes to eat. Okay, so puro dessert pala dito. I'll pass muna dito sa dessert. I don't feel like getting dessert or maybe just a fruit. Yeah, these are mussel. What's this? Fishbone. Okay, let's see what I want. Bakit di ko bet? Oh, this is basil. This is basil pesto, my son. Oh, this one looks good. I want that. Sicilian sausage.
Want to like?
Yeah, for me. Okay, thank you. Okay, parang masarap itong Sicilian sausage. Let's get it. Very enticing, malaking ano. It's a large pasta. Okay, I'm good. I actually don't need to get a lot kasi hindi naman ako gutom na gutom. I just need to eat something tonight because tomorrow we might not have the time to eat breakfast. Okay, just a little bit of that. Ooh. Parang I like the tomato. One tomato. And then soup. I don't like it. Okay na to sa akin. This is good enough for me. Okay, kain tayo. The robot is here, oh. What's doing it? Dito pala yung parking station ng robot. Ano to? Cleaner siya. Mga dishes. What happened to the robot? Tired na siya. It's being pushed now. Ah, here. So, punta na kami sa room namin. Okay, so done with dinner. Mabilis ang dinner lang kasi closing na sila ng 10. We're going now to our room para makapag-freshen up, makapag-rest. At maaga kami bukas around 5:40 yung shuttle. So, before that, 5:30. Before that, we need to go down para mag-check out. And then, hopefully, makaikot ng konti sa Incheon Airport. Okay, go in. Second, right? Yeah, we need to change tower. We're in East Tower right now, so we need to move to the West Tower. Okay, we're going to 6th floor. So maybe we need to go to the main elevator. Ang ganda nitong chandelier na to. Oh, this is the main entrance. Press again. Okay, so there's our room. 659. Okay. Okay.
A few moments later.
And then this one yung grand ballroom ng ano, Hyatt. Napakalaki. Look at this. So massive space. Napakaganda ng chandelier na parang bubbles from the top to the bottom. Naka-dinner na kami, nakapag-freshen up na kami. So bumaba lang kami saglit ng mga anak ko kasi we wanted to just check out etong hotel kung ano-ano yung mga makikita around this. And we're hoping sana na makalabas at least dyan sa harapan. We'll see kung makakalabas kami. Nagsipagliguan na rin kami tonight kasi ang plano namin tomorrow talagang babangon na lang. Tapos a little prep, tapos ready to go. Kasi around 5:30 check out na kami, 5:40 yung shuttle tomorrow. Incheon Airport na, 7:45 is the flight to Manila. So tomorrow hopefully by around 12 nasa Manila na kami. And mag-check-in lang sa aming Airbnb, pahinga. Tapos, hopefully, magawa namin tomorrow yung na-miss out na namin na salon appointment itong mga bata. Actually, meron kaming Airbnb booking 2 nights. So, na-miss out na namin yung booking tonight. Nandito kami instant. Well, why not? Grand Hyatt naman, yung kapalit, ano. So, bali, 1 night lang kami matutulog sa BGC. Nag-book ako ng Airbnb doon. And then, the day after that, lilipad naman kami papuntang Singapore. Okay, so naisipan namin lumabas lang saglit. Dito lang, sa paligid lang. I-check lang namin yung paligid nitong hotel. Feeling ko ang init sa labas. Musta naman? Ay, hindi. Oh no, it's raining. Ulan ba yan or mist? No, it's rain. Ay! Who's doing the mist?
It's really humid.
Humid? No.
Like fog.
Is that a fog? Oh, akala ko umuulan, no? Super foggy. Parang may mist. Parang may mist siya talaga eh. For real na mist to? O merong... I don't know. No, actually, it's drizzling pero parang mist, ano? Interesting. I've never experienced something like this in the Philippines. Ayan, no? I don't understand yung weather ngayon dito sa Korea. Parang cloudy siya. Na, hindi siya mainit. Tama lang, na medyo cool nga eh. May breeze. Yeah, look at my background, oh. Oh, super misty. Okay, so yan yung entrada ng Grand Hyatt. So, nandito lang kami sa street, palabas dito. Just checking out the night. Okay, so we're here in front of the Grand Hyatt. The Grand Hyatt Hotel here in Incheon. So, I keep saying talagang no, weirdohan ako yung misty na ganito. Mist lang talaga, hindi ka nababasa pero cool siya na parang, alam mo yung parang yung hose ng tubig na sinet mo sa mist, parang ganon. Kasi sa Pilipinas, it's either umaambon or umuulan, di ba? Wala namang ganitong weather. So, first time ko lang maka-experience na ganitong natural na may mist. Na hindi human-made na mist, di ba? Nice experience here in Korea. Okay, papasok na kami kasi yung mist lumalakas na. Magiging ambon na siya. Medyo babasa na kami. So, okay, we're going in. And time to rest. Okay, so let's get in. I'm gonna give you a little bit of room tour. Itong room na binigay sa amin dito sa Grand Hyatt Hotel. Okay guys, so let me just give you a quick room tour dito sa inassign sa amin na complimentary accommodation dito sa Grand Hyatt Hotel Incheon dito sa Korea. Okay, so this is the entrance area. So talagang carpeted everywhere, no? And then here at the front, merong malaking mirror. And then may lalagyan na rin ng shoes. Nandiyan na yung mga shoes namin. And then this is the washroom. So nagamit na namin. Nag-shower na kami just a while ago. And then they have a smart toilet. And then may provided ng mga bathrobe din dun sa cabinet and towels. Yan. O, bongga ang kanilang soap. Balmain soap. And this is the shower So, meron siyang bathtub, full bathtub. And then, ito yung supply for shampoo, conditioner, and body wash, Balmain product also. And ito yung shower. Yeah, simple lang. It's quite nice. And then, ito yung cabinet nila dito sa front. Ayan, merong fire extinguisher. Nandito yung mga bathrobe. Tapos, may provided na plancha. O planchahan. And then, here on the right, so may provided na pwedeng gumawa ng coffee. Ayan, hindi pa namin nagamit. May water. Itong sandwich na to galing pa to ng Korean Air. Yung hindi nakain. Pati ito. Yan. Oh, and this one is interesting. So, merong mga liquor dito. But, you have to pay. Ayan, merong presyo. Ayan, may presyo siya. Yung mga mini na liquor. And then, tong corner na to, lagayan ng luggage. So, inayos na namin yung mga gamit namin for tomorrow. Nilagay na namin yan sa corner. And it's carpeted all throughout. And then now, let's check the bed. So, tinanong kami kung gusto ba namin ng king. Kasi 3 kami. Or 2 double. So, we chose yung 2 double. And then, dito, of course, merong phone to the reception light. And merong speaker. Ginamit na ng mga anak ko kanina yan. They connected their Spotify, no? Spotify. Yeah. White linen. Of course, sa mga hotel, they always use white linen, which is nice. Looks nice and clean. It's soft. Ay, hindi ganun ka-soft. Hindi ganun ka-soft yung bed. It's firm. Actually, yung firm naman is nicer. But the pillows, pillows are nice. Oh, lumulubog. On the other end, yun. So, nag-charge na kami. And then, there's a lounging chair here on the side, which is nice. And then, merong desk dito sa corner. There's a chair. Ready na yung mga gamit niya for tomorrow. And then, of course, at the center, merong television. And then, this glass here, interesting kasi shower yung kabila dyan. Pero hindi mo naman nakikita yung nagsha-shower. Oh, pero yung taas is medyo clear, no? Dito, frosted. Pero may design siya, which is nice. Parang hindi lang masyadong kita sa video. Pero meron siyang prints. Yan. May prints siyang ganyan. Okay, and then of course, hindi ko pa nasilip pala tong view dito. So, merong magandang klase yung kurtina. And then may layer siya. Merong sheer curtain under. Ayan. Check natin yung view. Oh, nice. Looks like a city view. The maraming lights. Although yung kabilang part is a bit dark. I wonder. Maybe tomorrow morning pag maliwanag, maybe we can take a quick look here. Okay, so this is how it looks like to sleep in Korea. Diba? Sometimes having delayed flight is not bad at all. Kapag ganito kaganda naman ang tutulugan mo. And it's our first time to enter Korea. Yeah, not bad, diba? So at least kahit na na-experience namin ma-delay ng flight at may iwanan ng aming connecting flight. So Korean Air gave us naman an experience to stay here at Grand Hyatt. This is a 5-star hotel. I won't be able to check in here at magbayad by myself, diba? At saka, ayan, na-experience namin matulog sa Korea. Although, yung schedule nga namin sa Manila, nasagasaan, but it's okay. Meron pa naman kami ibang days para gawin yung schedule na hindi namin magagawa for tomorrow. Although, makakabawi pa kami. Basta makarating kami on time ng Manila bukas. So, makakapagpasalon pa tong dalawang ito. Makakapagpahinga kami, diba? Before moving on forward to the next destination. And then tomorrow naman, hopefully, kahit magkaroon lang sana kami ng mga 30 minutes to 1 hour na maikot yung Incheon Airport. Okay na din. Okay, so that's it for the room tour. Magpapahinga na kami kasi maaga kaming mag-check out bukas. I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Good night for now. Okay, so we're checked out from here. It's 4:45 in the morning. Binubook na lang kami ng taxi. So mag-antay lang kami dito sa lounge. Ang worry ko lang din is Yeah, hindi na ako nag-shuttle kasi 5:40 pa yung shuttle. Medyo late na. Baka maghabol kami. Haggard yung gano'n eh, kasi dadaan pa ng security and whatnot. Hindi na kami makakaikot sa airport. So, nagpatawag na lang ako ng taxi. Mga around daw 15,000, 20,000 Korean won. Mga ganyan daw ang presyo. Now, ang worry ko, although pina-set ko naman sa RBC, sinabi ko ano yung mga countries na pupuntahan para i-allow yung credit card na hindi matag as fraud or mag-fail yung transaction dito. But just to make sure, kasi what if yung transaction ko ng credit card nag-fail with the taxi cab? So, ang ginawa ko, allowed naman sa kanila daw. Nagpapalit ako ng US dollar. So, yung palitan is 100 USD, ang kapalit nun is 130,000 Korean won. Okay, ang bilis. Nandiyan agad yung taxi namin. So, you didn't forget anything, Ethan? Alright, go ahead. Ang bilis na mga taxi. Nandiyan agad siya. So, Terminal 2 departure. Thank you.